Hi guys, in today's quick tutorial video, I'm going to show how to create a business suite, a Meta business suite. I'm hearing from people who don't know where Ads Manager is located. Of course, this makes sense if you only boosted some post organically on the page itself. But a better way to advertise on Meta is by using an Ads Manager account, an ad account. So if you're new to Facebook advertising and you want to run ads the way you should run ads, you can get started by going to business.facebook.com/create. You'll end up in this interface and you'll get some information about the business suite and what the business suite is able to do for your business. So it's meant to keep all your pages, ad accounts, and business assets in one place. It will allow you to easily create and manage ads for all your business accounts. And you can, of course, report and track performance and see what's working best with performance insights. So to get started, click the Create an Account link. A pop-up will show and you need to provide some details about your business. First, the business name. You can just set it to your actual business name. And your full name. Make sure to use a real name. That's very important if you don't want your account to be blocked. And you need to provide a business email address. This will be the address that will be used for communication about the business suite and all kinds of alerts and notifications. So this doesn't need to be your email address you use to log in at Facebook. You can just provide your business work email address. So fill in the details and hit submit. After you've logged into the business suite, this is the interface you'll be seeing, and you can see a lot of items in the menu. In today's video, we just want to create an ad account so we can advertise using the Ads Manager. So we need to add the Facebook business page. Most of you already have a business page, I assume. You can also add Instagram accounts. And then we'll need to create an actual ad account too. So all these stuff is called assets. So these are business assets. So you first need to click on business assets and you can see all assets. Now it's still empty, but you can add pages. So your Facebook page, Instagram account, and also you can create ad accounts. So to get started, click the Add Assets blue button. And first you want to select and add some social assets. So social assets are Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, or WhatsApp accounts. So click the one you want to add. In this example, I want to add a Facebook page and an Instagram account. So first I'm hitting the Facebook page link, and I'm provided some options to add this page. So if you don't already have a Facebook page, you can easily create one from within Business Suite. Just hit the Create New Facebook Page. But most of you will already have a page. So you will need to claim an existing Facebook page. And what it does is it will add your existing page as an asset in your business account. So you're centralizing all your pages and accounts in one suite. That's more secure, and you can also add backup admins so you can make sure you never lose access to all your pages and accounts. So in this case, claim an existing Facebook page, and you'll need to provide the Facebook page name, or if it's hard to find because other people are using the same names, you can just enter the full link of your Facebook page. So add a link and hit the next button, and then the Facebook page will be added to your business suite. Just make sure you're already an admin of your Facebook page. Next, you can also create and claim your Instagram account. Hit the claim Instagram account button, and then you'll need to log in with your Instagram credentials. And that's it. After that, also Instagram is added to the business suite. Next, again, go to the business assets and hit the add accounts tab and hit the add assets button again. Now, this time we don't want social assets, we want advertising assets. And in this case, I want to create a new ad account, so an ads manager account. Hit the add account link. And again, you can create a new ad account, or if you already have access to another ad account, you can add it to the business too. But in most cases, you'll want to create a new ad account. Provide some details. You can name your ad account whatever you want, but it makes sense to just use your business name again. The time zone and currencies are very important, because if you don't set this right at the first time and you create an ad account, you can't change this later. So make sure you're selecting the right currency and the right time zone for your ad account. So now I've added a Facebook page and also an ad account. So right now I have 3 assets. I've also added a metapixel. I didn't cover this in this tutorial, but if you Google or search in YouTube for set up the metapixel, it's very easy. So I would advise also creating a pixel and link it to your ad account. This way you can optimize for specific actions, conversions, landing page views. It's the better way to run ads. So make sure to also add a pixel. Okay, so right now we can access and open the ad account, Ads Manager. So for this, again, go to the business assets and first select the Facebook page and the ad account, and add yourself as an admin with full control to the page and the ad account itself. So after creating these 3 assets, you need to add yourself via the page access tab. So hit the Facebook page, hit the page access tab, search for your own name, and give yourself the full control of your page. You can do the same for the ad account asset. So again, click the ad account access tab, search for your name, click add people, and provide yourself with full control access rights. Okay, so right now I have all the assets to get started. Click the ad account link and hit the 3 dots at the right corner and select open in Ads Manager. Now you're taken to the Ads Manager interface itself. I would suggest adding bookmarking this page for easy access. You'll have the 3 levels: campaigns, ad sets, and ads. And you can now start creating campaigns for your business page the right way. So never use the boost post option again, but go to the Ads Manager interface and set up your manual campaigns from here. Okay guys, so this was a quick tutorial on how to set up the Meta Business Suite the way you should set up the suite. If you think this short tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm sharing some super easy tutorials and short tutorials, but also more advanced tutorials for more experienced marketers. So if you think that could be helpful, hit the subscribe button and I will see you later. Bye bye.